Hello, everybody. How's it going? That's horrible. Welcome to Pac-Man, but Scary Mouse Man. I think this will be fun. Let's resume. Why resume? How do I play game? Oh god. Oh god. How game work? Oh Jesus. Okay. Restart? Ah, there we go. Alright, now we got a mouse. Now we can go. Alright, new game. I don't know why it said resume.
Deception.
Cool. Yeah, that's the name of the actual game, Dark Deception. No. It is done. Now my faith lies in darkness. Oh. Well, that's not a very... Cool. That's probably... Oh, hello. You have very red eyes. F. F in the chat. Beers.
Oh, another one. How nice to have some company again. Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
No,
You disappoint me, love. You
I
really
ain't your
do.
love. I don't know
So
who you
many
are.
Fears. So many desires.
Nope.
I thought you'd be bigger.
Ah, well, that's highly debatable.
Don't
Thank you,
look so
though.
confused.
I'm not.
I
I'm
know
offended.
Everything you've got hidden in that brain of
I,
yours.
I
I
don't
know
have it.
all
I wear
terrible
everything on my
things you've
sleeves.
done. So many good intentions laid to waste. I could see the regret eating away at your soul.
I don't have
But
one
now
anymore.
your
I sold
time
it.
has
Thank you,
come,
though.
And here you are, to grovel and beg. You
Yep.
can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear not, love. You've got potential. I see it in you. And I can help change your fate. But if you want a new life,
Cool. I'm done talking to you. Can we get to the game? No. What is happening? Can we? Okay. This game doesn't really run very well.
the
I'm
pieces to
noticing.
a powerful ring are hidden
Ooh.
in nightmares behind each of these portals.
I want to jump.
And
Oh.
bring them to me, and you'll get your wish. Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
She's spinning. Oh, now she's not. Oh. Monkey Man. Monkey. Monkey. Me and my monkey. Shut up. Okay. We good. It's Scary Door. I love scary doors. That's a monkey. Me and my monkey. Monkey business. Oh my god, I love it. Can I? Nah,
It's
okay.
a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
That's memory Uncle John tells me I can't tell anyone. That's dumb. I hate that. You're trash. You're ugly. Nobody's ever loved you. I can't believe that got me. Oh, hello there. What do I do? Because I feel... Oh, he looks so soulless. I feel like if I walk towards him, that won't be very good for my health. Run. Ah! Don't scream at me. That seems perfectly safe. This seems fine.
Going up?
Oh, I love it. Those aren't numbers. Ooh. Oh. The light's not working. It's the weird
Now listen
half-naked
closely.
demon.
See those floating bits of crystal?
Yes.
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze. Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Oh.
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours. One more thing. You're not alone. There are monsters in here.
I get this
and they're
reference.
looking for you.
That's very
Here,
funny.
you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location.
Ooh.
It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here.
Okay, lady.
Clever
What the
girl.
deuce? Oh my gosh, quick turn.
Enough instructions. We'll go forward and let's get this party started.
Hmm. 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 Oh, okay. Yeah. Ah, lag. What? What? Oh! Oh.
Embarrassing.
You're embarrassing. Your mother was a hamster. Okay. Well, that was... See no monkey, hear no monkey, speak to no monkey. Oh. Is there like a stealth system in this game that I have to abide by? Or... Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Ah! Ah! Not a fan, 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 not ah! Not a fan, not a fan, not a fan. Is he still behind me? Yeah, I hear him. Whoa, hello. Okay, well this is horrible, and I hate it, actually. This is awful. Warming up? Thank you. I'm doing my best, actually. Oh, he's still coming. Whoop!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
I'm doing my best! What do you want from me? Collect shoal stars to bring to the ring bearer. That's not Frodo. Can I sit in a chair? Oh. Oh! Okay. Don't do that. Don't be that guy. Okay. You're not that guy, pal. You're not that guy. Uh-oh. Run away! Run away! Run away super fast and don't let them touch your buns. They want your buns and you don't know why. Oh, what? How is that even close to fair?
You are dead.
Okay, that's not even close to being right. I don't care about S rank. Oh, okay, good. Oh, I thought that was just gonna be like... Don't knock unless you want me to come in. Okay. Can I, like, see the entire map? Z. Oh, that's so much better. Okay. Okay, wait. I think I got that corner. I need to get that corner and that corner. Okay. Ooh, wait, I should go this way. Look at these last little bits. Whoa! Oh, I gotta get better at looking behind me, I guess. Oh, Jesus. Oh my God. Okay. Is there any reason why I shouldn't be sprinting constantly? What?
Death by monkey. Oh dear. How
Oh, I had to hit the middle button to continue running the opposite direction. Okay. Okay. I'm getting there. I think I'm getting there. Okay, we'll go this way. Because that way does not seem like it's any fun. Whoa! Oh, I am hungry. When I get scared, I do need some snackies. I'm leaving so many behind right now. Ah! Oh, he's still coming. Go away! Don't touch me there! Why am I collecting these soul shards again? Is there like a particular reason why I need them? Oh, well, that's...
You are dead.
Shut up! I'm getting pretty close, though. Look at me go. Dude. Okay, wow, I'm really bad at Pac-Man. Okay, need to go this way, round that corner, and I need to get that bit, and then just gather them as I go. Okay. That's not the right way. Gotta go this way. Oh, hello. Ah! Ah! Oh, well.
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder.
No, 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 no. Stop! It's not entertaining. It's, it has to be a little bit entertaining, I guess. Yeah, whatever. Wait. I didn't check my course. Well, I'm sorry. Oh. Please. Don't stab me in the spleen. It's fine. It's fine. You don't have to, actually. It's whatever!
You're making it pretty easy to root for the monkeys.
You shut. Can I turn her off? Is there a way I could turn her off? It's. Can I just? Dadgummit. Oh well. Okay, well. Me and my monkey. Monkey doesn't have any pants. Nope. It's fine, actually. Oh, well, that's...
You are dead.
Yes, I am. I really do not like her. I got some in that corner. I got some stragglers. Okay, so I need to go straight for that corner, because I guess I just haven't been over there. Okay. Do 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 do. Oh well. Nope. Okay, why is there just a murder monkey mansion? Is there a reason for this? Am I not seeing the genius behind this? Ow, that scared me. God. Okay. Oh, well, that's... I was boxed in again!
Monkeying around with murder monkeys.
I guess I could have tried to lure them in to the corner. But I'm not smart enough for that. Okay, I've got 12. They're all right there, I think. Yeah. So I just have to do better than what I've been doing, actually. And go. Go, 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 go. Nope. Come back. We'll come back for those two. It's fine. Never mind. We're gonna go now. Okay. Ah, banana! Oh, well. Don't touch my buns! Please don't touch my buns. I like my buns alive and not stabbed. Thank you. Banana. Oh. I don't know why I heard the sound and decided to run directly towards it. I don't know why that's what I did. I don't know. I'm not intelligent enough to play this game by myself. Oh, of course it couldn't be a straight shot. Of course. Why would it be? Be too simple. And easy.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Ah! Oh, look at you, Mr. Dapper.
And the monsters will go into
Oh.
the ring piece before Mr.
Is that pizza time? Ah! He was guarding it. But he was guarding it.
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
Okay.
The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into your hands. The ring piece
What?
It helps if you don't let them stab you in the face.
Oh, okay. First off, they couldn't stab me. It was a pizza cutter, so it was more like a.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed.
Ring piece is now exposed. Yo.
The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
What?
That's what you get for monkeying around with murder monkeys.
I'm gonna get a monkey around with murder monkeys.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed,
Okay.
and the monsters will go into
So hello, come aggro, and then what? What?
you are dead.
Do I have to lure them even? No. Do I have to lure them even farther away?
You've gathered all of the soul shards.
I don't know how to do
The
this.
ring piece
I'm
is
very
now
stupid.
exposed, and the monsters will go into your frenzy. The ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds
This is actually pretty. I love this. Hey. Nuh-uh. Whoo.
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape.
I
Get
do.
to the portal. Hurry!
Portal. Okay. Button. Oh. You know, typically I'm a big fan of monkeys, but I guess I'm just not anymore. Oh, maybe.
Run! Run!
Whoa.
There's no escape for you, mortal.
Where am I running from? Oh! Okay. Well, that was horrible, and I did not enjoy that at all whatsoever. I wish I could ignore that, actually. I got level 2. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Oh.
You made it. And I see you met my friend sooner than I was
Oh.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all this time. Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you. Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
I think he's
This
more
is your
trustworthy.
only warning.
I think.
Help her, and you will suffer.
What kind? What kind of sub?
Into hill.
Oh, okay,
His
okay,
powers
yep,
cannot reach you here.
okay,
Ring piece. Place. It's been.
okay.
Ring is
I don't care. Thank you. Can I just? Okay. I broke it again. Ah.
8 more pieces to go. Are you ready for another nightmare?
No. Oh, Jesus. Well, I'm gonna leave this one here. I don't think my tiny heart could handle another one. So, thank you guys so much for watching.
I see you.
I see you.
I'm going to enjoy watching you suffer.
See, he sounds trustworthy. Such a trustworthy man. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, bye. Go. Leave. Bye.